Have you ever looked at your desk and thought, I just need more screen space? Maybe you are a day trader trying to watch a dozen charts at once, a programmer juggling code and documentation, or maybe you just want to watch YouTube, chat on Discord, and browse the web simultaneously without constantly minimizing windows. If you've looked into multi-monitor setups, you probably noticed one major problem. Graphics cards that support 4 monitors natively are usually incredibly expensive. You don't need a massive, power-hungry gaming beast just to display spreadsheets and web browsers, right? Well, what if I told you there is a budget-friendly solution that gives you 4 dedicated HDMI outputs right out of the box? Enter the SRhonyra GT 730 2GB DDR3 Video Card. This little graphics card is a productivity powerhouse wrapped in a compact, affordable package. In today's video, we are going to unbox it, go over the specs, install it, and see exactly why this might be the most cost-effective way to achieve that dream quad monitor setup. If you want to check out the current price of this card at any point during the video, I've put a link right at the top of the description below. Let's get into it. Alright, let's talk hardware. When you pull the SRhonyra GT 730 out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is its size. This is a single-slot card with a very clean, minimalist shroud. It's equipped with a single, ultra-quiet cooling fan. Because this card isn't pulling massive amounts of power, that one fan is more than enough to keep the graphics coprocessor running cool and stable, even when you are driving multiple displays all day long. Under the hood, this card is rocking the NVIDIA GT 730 chipset. It features 2 GB of GDDR3 video memory and operates on a 64-bit memory interface. The memory clock speed comes in at 902 MHz. It connects to your motherboard via a standard PCI-Express X16 slot. Now, if you are a hardcore gamer, you know these aren't high-end gaming specs. But that is exactly the point. This card is not trying to be something it's not. It is purpose-built for extreme desktop expansion. It is designed to give your PC the graphical bandwidth it needs to push pixels to multiple screens smoothly and efficiently. And because of its low power draw, you don't need to upgrade your power supply. It pulls all the juice it needs directly from the PCIe slot on your motherboard. No messy 6-pin or 8-pin power cables required. Let's talk about the absolute star of the show, the I/O bracket. On the back of this card, you will find 4 standard HDMI ports. For a budget card, this is incredibly rare. Usually you get a mix of older ports like VGA, DVI, and maybe one HDMI or DisplayPort. That means dealing with a mess of adapters and dongles. The SRhonyra GT 730 completely eliminates that headache. It supports U3D Quad Setup, meaning you can run 4 independent screens simultaneously straight out of the box. Let's talk about resolution. This card supports a maximum display resolution of 1920 by 1080 on multiple screens, and it can push up to 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz. This means your 1080p and 4K displays are going to look crisp, clear, and perfectly smooth for desktop use. Imagine your workflow. Screen 1, your main working document or code editor. Screen 2, your email and Slack channels. Screen 3, live data feeds, stock tickers, or analytics. Screen 4, your favorite YouTube video or Spotify playlist. The productivity boost is massive. You stop wasting time minimizing and maximizing windows and start actually getting things done. If you're worried about whether this will fit your system, don't, because one of the best things about the SRhonyra GT 730 is its broad compatibility. Whether you have a standard ATX mid-tower desktop or a smaller micro-tower case, this card is going to fit perfectly. It's compact enough that it won't block your airflow or interfere with your other components. Installation is as easy as it gets. You just power down your PC, unplug it, open the side panel, and gently click the card into the PCI-Express X16 slot until you hear the lock snap into place. Screw in the retention bracket, close your case, and you are done. When you boot up Windows, it will likely detect the card automatically. Just head over to the official NVIDIA website, download the latest GT 730 drivers to ensure maximum stability, and plug in your monitors. Windows display settings will let you drag and drop your monitor layout so your mouse moves smoothly from one screen to the next. Now, I want to be completely transparent with you guys. As a reviewer, my job is to make sure you buy the right product for your specific needs. If you are looking to play the newest AAA games on ultra settings, this is not the card for you. However, if you want to do some light, retro gaming or play older titles, it will handle them just fine. But its true calling is in the office, the trading floor, and the creator studio. This is the ultimate GPU for the hustle setup. If your work involves multitasking, research, data entry, or monitoring live feeds, the ROI, the return on investment of this card, is off the charts. For the price of a fancy dinner, you are transforming your standard PC into a professional-grade command center. So, what's the final verdict? The SRhonyra GT 730 2GB DDR3 is a highly specific tool that does exactly what it promises flawlessly. It gives you 4 HDMI ports, whisper-quiet operation, and a massive productivity boost without breaking the bank or requiring a massive power supply upgrade. If you are tired of alt-tabbing your way through the workday and are ready to expand your digital workspace, I highly recommend picking one of these up. If you want to grab the SRhonyra GT 730 and start building your quad monitor dream setup today, click the link down in the description below. Buying through that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep bringing you reviews on awesome tech hardware. Do you guys currently use a multi-monitor setup, or are you still surviving on a single screen? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear how you manage your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future PC hardware reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.